So welcome to video one of lesson one on the HTML project, which is cycle 3. And we're going to use something called Replit, R-E-P-L-I-T. And in order to use this application, we need to log in firstly. So you log in, and the website itself is repl.it, but I'll provide you with information on that in the lesson. Once you go to log in, you need to select your Google, pretty straightforward, and then your school account, and you're in. Okay, so you should be into something like this. If not, I'll come around and try and get you in the right direction. But that should be your home page. Now, we're going to make a REPL today, an REPL. And if we click on plus, we're going to go for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right. And we're going to call it cycle 3 HTML lessons. Pretty straightforward. And we're going to create that REPL. Ooh, unable to wake up. We ran into an internal error. It's working. So this is our IDE, our integrated development environment, and we're going to be using this for the next few weeks. So make sure you keep everything there. And what I'm going to do firstly is I'm going to get rid of that. Yep. I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to leave actually these script and style. I'm going to leave them in. We can leave those. And then next lesson, you should be working on a new file. And I'm going to do it now. So hover over add file. And we're going to call this lesson 1.html, which is the name of web pages. They are written in the HTML language. And that's how to set up your first Replit. Finally, in order to re-access your work in another lesson, let's just go back. So I'm going to click on my little menu there, and I'm going to go to home. So that's what you'll see when you log in. And to re-access your REPL, your project for this term, click on My REPLs. And I've got loads of stuff here. Cycle 3 HTML lessons. There you go, and it should open up nicely. And we're going to obviously have like lots of different pages for each lesson. So there should be 5 main learning lessons. And then obviously you're going to have your project file afterwards, which we'll work on. Okay, so that's it. That's how to get onto REPL and set up your workspace.